What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we are starting this one at the spot. Usually I start before I leave my house. You guys know I'm usually in my driveway or in my car, but today we are at the spot and we're actually with a special guest today, right over yonder. There's Nate right there. You guys know Nate. Nate's in a bunch of our videos. Though we haven't fished in a while. The last time we fished was actually ice fishing catfish, which was like in February. So it's been a long time since we fished together, but we were talking and we're like, you know what? Let's open up Google Maps. Let's try to find some new ponds in the area and let's try to catch some fish. We did, like I said, we fired up Google Maps, just found a spot that looked pretty good, and we're just gonna start there. We have no idea if there's fishing here. We don't know how fishable this is if it's public, if it's private, but if this doesn't work, there's so many ponds in the area I saw on the way here, and hit those up, and you know, hopefully we can just find some fish today. I'm not gonna wait too long. We're gonna get right into it, but I do wanna thank you guys so much for all your recent love and support. We just hit, I think, like 9,500 subscribers. When you guys are watching this, not sure where we're gonna be at, but we're so close to 10,000, so thank you guys so much. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Like I said, road to 10K, we're almost there. Nate, what are your thoughts on today?
I think we're gonna get him. We just gotta find him.
Yeah, exactly. We have no idea if there's gonna be fish in here. We could spend like 2 hours here and not catch a thing. There might not even be fish in this. So that's the only risky part with fishing new places, but if you're catching fish, it's gonna pay off big time. So stay with it, stay tuned. Let's catch some fish. Let's go. Here's the deal. We've been out here for about, what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
About 2. We hit,
It's been a while.
We hit 3 different ponds, not a fish. But then Nate just says out of nowhere, he's like, yo, I got this spot. So I'm not gonna show you guys where that is. I'm gonna keep on the DL for safety purposes here. But Nate was like, dude, they're gonna be hitting anything, hitting everything. So he's hyping it up a lot. You have a jig on as well?
Yeah.
So he's got a jig on as well, so I figured I'd stick with that because that could probably catch a lot of fish. Someone's mowing the lawn, so you might not be able to hear me. We just rigged up. We're gonna drive there. It's about how far?
15 minutes.
15-minute drive. That's not bad at all. We'll blast some country in the car, and I will see you guys at the lake. Stay tuned. We're finally gonna get a bit today. Hopefully, I think. I mean, we probably will, but let's do it. Jeez.
See, I did hype it up, but my hype is worth the hype.
Your hype is worth the hype. I will say that as of now. This thing looking at me. Ooh, I'm taking one more shot.
It's a bigger fish on the other side.
All right. Hear that? Bigger fish other side, boys. Watch this. We're gonna jack this one.
Spawning.
Oh, okay.
So there's gonna be a lot of smaller ones.
Oh, I got one. You just hit it right there, brother.
Oh,
let's go! Let's go!
let's go, baby!
Are you kidding me? Yes! Yes! Awesome. I mean, if you look like this, I mean, that looks like 2 pounds from here, but it's like 2 ounces from here. And he's off, safe and sound. We're gonna move spots to catch probably fish that instead of 2 ounces, try to get something that are like maybe a pound. So we'll see. I see one down. I see a couple down there. There's one. Instant, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh, kidding me? That's sick. That's sick. There's a drain. There's just a drain loaded with bass, crystal clear water. Monster jig. That is so sick. I would get underwater releases, but we're just trying to catch a fish here. Can't catch one out there. There's one. Smacked it, dude. That's so cool, dude. Crystal clear water. You got one too? Double, 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 double. Let's go, baby. Double up. Let's go. Let me get the big camera for that one. Oh, double. Nate on the swim bait. Small guy hammered it. Me on the jig. This water's crystal clear. We're just gonna toss them back. I would pop out the underwater camera, but I just want to put these guys back. But you can probably see how clear this is, and they're all just sitting right in front of this drain right here. It's unbelievable. Like I can still see that bass he released. That's crazy. Let's catch some more fish. All right, hold on. Let me bring this one in real quick. Yeah. There's one. I saw him take that. Saw him take that. Are you kidding me? That is so sick. It's so sick. These bass are non-stop. They're non-stop matching this jig right in front of this crystal clear water drain. Oh my gosh. Nate was right about this spot. He's like, this spot's gonna slay. And it has been so far. Pop it right off. Nothing fancy here. Just another bass. Put her back, baby. Nice and safely. This is so cool. The guy still freaks me out over there. There's one. You can just see him coming in. That's so cool. You can just see him coming all the way in, dude. That is epic. Boom! That's another fish, non-stop, baby. Let's go. This right here, boys, is fish number, I already lost count. We're at like 4, 5, 6, or 7, not sure, but on the swim jig, like I usually been throwing, with the crawl in the back, this drain, clear water, loaded with bass. So, wow, awesome. Not big, not that big, but hey, nothing beats a good jig bite when the fish are hitting, so we're gonna toss her back. Let's go. And there she goes, boom, crystal clear water. Let's go, baby. All right, that's how you do it. Flip. Oh. There's one. Ripped them. Let's go. Let's go. Ah! Let's go, baby. Woo! Little guy right here. Like I said, it's non-stop action, boys. Side of the mouth. Look at a little picture of this guy. Looks kind of cool. And we'll put her back. One last look. Little guy right there. Right on the side of the mouth. This drain is just loaded with fish. Like, we're catching all these fish in the exact same spot. Like, I've never seen so many fish in one spot. It's ridiculous. On the swim jig with the saw crawl, the 10,000 fish, whew, we're popping off right now, dude. This place is no joke. Nate was not wrong about that. You know? There's one. One-handed hooks that. Whew. Man, that's sick, dude. Oh, he fell. I got him. He's stuck in a little rock hole right here. The little guy right there. And like, it's like you catch them, those ones leave and more just come in. It's unbelievable. I can see like 3 bass right now. This has got to be the craziest spot I think I've ever fished ever. It's just stepped right on my rod. Yikes. It is insane, guys. Oh my gosh. You can probably throw a piece of poop in the water and catch your PB. Oh, is there like a sandbar or something right there? What is it? See where it's clear? There's one. Get him in, baby. Am I over your line right now? Oh no. Yeah, let's get a double. Oh, he just got slammed. Missed it. Another fish, guys. Honestly, I don't know how many of these I'm gonna put in the video. This place is just probably the most loaded place I've ever fished, ever. And we're just still working our way around. We'll try to find some bigger ones, but in all honesty, just coming out here and just catching fish, like every cast, is just, it's just unreal. So I'm not gonna bring the big camera over. I'm gonna toss this guy back. We're gonna catch more fish. Whip around out there. Just throwing this jig. All I'm doing when I'm working this jig is I let it get to the bottom, and I'm not sure what type of bottom is out there. Do you know?
It's just grass.
Oh, I got hit. Okay, so there's just grass out here. So what I'm doing with the swim jig, because it's weedless as well, which is great, is I'm just slowly just dragging it in, reeling up the slack. Maybe a couple twitches because it's got those rattles in it.
There we go.
You're on?
Yep.
Nice. I'll try to double up here on the swim bait. That's dope. But I'm just dragging this in, and the craw's just going to work. It's rattling. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, that's definitely good for here.
That's good for here.
Definitely. Nice little swim bait fish. Let's go. This craw's hanging on for dear life. So many fish on it. Saw craw's durable, baby. That's why I love it. There's one. There he is.
Yep.
This is just instant, dude. Oh, this is so much fun. This is unreal. Let's get a double, huh? Oh, we got the swim bait. And there she is. Same size as pretty much all of them, but nonetheless, another fish, man. You can't beat that. It's unbelievable. And we're gonna put this one back, get some more. We'll see if Nate gets one here.
I had a bite.
Yeah, I saw the tip of your rod just jut down. Gonna pop her off, toss her over this grass. All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for today's video. Huge shout out to Nate for taking me out here. He was like, yo, I got this spot. It's pretty good. And I'm like, it's pretty good? It's the best spot I think I've ever fished in my entire life. We didn't catch like anything crazy big in size, but I mean, we caught so far over 30 fish at least.
Oh yeah.
And we're catching so many off camera. I'm not showing you guys all of them. I really want to highlight the drain in the video for you guys because that spot was probably the coolest. But we've only fished a couple portions of this lake, and it's been lights out. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. If you want to check out Nate's socials, I will leave them down in the description below. Without him, none of this would have happened. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you are new here, click that subscribe button down below. Road to 10K continues. We are oh so close. We're sniffing it. Like I said last time, we are sniffing 10K. We're super close. So thank you so much. And I can't see because the sun's right in my eyes, so I'm gonna sign you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.